Okay, so today I am going to, so, hi guys, I'm KimmyBoutiki. Welcome to my channel. So as you can see, I have all this full glam on, but it is unfortunately bedtime. So we have to remove all this hard work we just did. When you're sleeping, your cells are replenishing and you want to make sure a lot of that is happening in your face to prevent age signs. Let those cells replenish, honey. I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup at night, the steps that I take, and the routine that works for me, that I feel my skin is the cleanest. I don't sleep with my makeup. Not that I haven't before, like, stop. If you never slept in your makeup, not even one time, stop. We've all done it. Definitely try not to do that. Of course, first of all, it's gonna ruin your sheet, it's gonna ruin your pillowcases. What time for that to be doing? And of course, there'll be a little couple of tips and tricks on the way, just to let you know why I think this works and why I know it works for me. You know, my logic behind the things that I do. So without further ado, we're gonna get started. Okay, you would think I would have started with all the stuff in front of me, right? But no, I'm not Kimmy. So step one is to remove the makeup, obvi, and then we'll get into the skincare routine. Does that make sense? Look how much of this I have used. So obviously I love this. This is the Garnier Micellar Water, and this one is the removes the waterproof mascara one. They have a pink one and they have a blue one. I got the blue one because I don't know, I just thought it would be a little bit more strong. It says no rinsing. We still gonna wash our face. No, that kind of scares me because I feel like the makeup is still in the pores. As you will see, the makeup be hot and it be that makeup be hot, and you need to do a couple of steps to remove makeup. Just washing one time ain't gonna work. It ain't gonna do it. Let's remove these clips. I love these clips. They're so cute. Love, love, love. Now we're gonna take this scarf and get our hair out the way. Some of your edges is finna get wet, so deal with it, honey. We need to get this makeup off, and some of that makeup is in the hairline because you know you got to make sure that it's blended like what we talking about. So now I'm just going to apply this to the cotton pad. These are small cotton pads, so I am using 3 of them. Make sure they are not too juicy because I'm telling you right now, if this gets in your eyes, it's going to sting. Not like a burning, actually maybe a little bit of a burning sting. It is going to irritate your eyes. My eyelashes are Billy on, so it ain't take nothing for me to get these off. I normally film at night, so I never put a lot of glue. We just tuck those away because we're going to reuse those. I literally have like 3 pair of lashes and I rotate them. Just wash them and reuse them. I like to start with my eye makeup. Now this side is like saturated. Now I'll take the clean side and I'll fold it over my fingers like this. And then you get in there because you know that mascara, and rotate it so that it's clean. You know that mascara gets, you have to put it really close to your lash line so that mascara is in there. And don't press too hard. You'll squeeze it into your eye. You notice a lot of makeup will build up right in that corner. You know where you wake up with that little crust in your eye, in that spot right there. That's what I'm talking about. I go into my brows. Done. And then I'll just start working on the face. There is still plenty of makeup on my face. These 2 are not enough, but usually the 3rd one gets off enough that I can move on to my next step. See, it's still makeup, but not as much. That is the first step to cleansing your face. Now we're gonna go into a double cleanse. I got this from Jackie Aina. When she takes her makeup off, she makes sure her skin is clean. Okay, we're gonna go in with Kapari coconut cleansing oil. Basically, oil breaks down makeup. My skin is dry, so I like the idea of putting oil on my face and it's to cleanse. You're gonna see there's more makeup on your face. And I just use my hand. And I just feel like it feels so good on the skin. So then I take like a little pad like this, microfiber. Like you really need to do more than just that micellar water on your face before you go to bed. There is so much more makeup on your face. It's kind of ridiculous. So you ain't gotta go crazy trying to remove the oil, but a little water and the cloth will get a lot of that oil off your skin. And now we're gonna go in with more of a bubbly cleanser because I feel like now I need to get the oil off my face. Erno Laszlo New York brands, and this is their Hydrotherapy Foaming Cleanser. So I love anything that says hydrating and cleansing at the same time. So this is the 2nd step cleanser. Something with a little bit more bubbliness in it, I would say. So now I'm just gonna wash this off and I'll be right back. I know my face is clean when I don't see any makeup on my paper towel. Face is clean. This cleanser is super gentle and I definitely feel like my face is clean. It has like a silkiness to it, so it definitely leaves some type of hydration behind, but it's still like squeaky clean. So I do like to use a mask when I take my makeup off that is more in the cleansing, exfoliating, detoxifying side. I don't wear makeup every day, and if I did, I wouldn't use a detoxifying mask every time I took my makeup off. I would makeup like on average once a week, pretty much when I'm filming. Like, I'm just gonna be real honest with you, you know, that's just what it is. For me, is a routine to put on a cleansing, detoxifying mask after I take off my makeup. And if you do your makeup every day, that's probably not a good idea to use a mask like that every day. It's probably gonna be too strong. So again, we're gonna go on with something that is cleansing as well as hydrating. This is the Yes to Clear Skin white charcoal mask. It says it's detoxifying and hydrating. I have a Yes to spatula to apply the mask. Ooh, this smells like baby powder. My skin is so clean, it's beyond clean. Oh, it feels like a baby's bottom. So that mask was a little stingy for me for the first 5 minutes, but usually after 5 minutes it definitely started to tone down. You know, when you wash your face, your pores, your skin is open, so when you apply a mask, you're definitely gonna feel the effects immediately in the first 5 minutes, but as it started to dry down, it became neutralized. So, but that's just my skin, but it's worth it. Now it's time. I'm going to fully exfoliate my lips. I like to sleep with a delicious lip balm on. I can't wait. This is a lip scrub by Beauty For Real. It feels like a sugar scrub. Definitely sugar, because when I eat it, it's so sweet. I've been using this for a while, so I can definitely safely say I recommend it. Everything is cleansed, scrubbed, squeaky clean. Okay, we are really clean right now. So my skin is craving some more replenishment. So I'm going to go in with a toner. Actually, I don't need a toner. I would use a toner, but my pores are so open right now from everything I did. That toner is going to burn. And I'm not finna do that right now. And I don't think I need it. I cleaned really well. There's no makeup residue. There's nothing left on my skin. Nothing. So the next thing we're going to go on with is a couple of serums. You know, we can't never have too many serums. Laszlo eye cream sample. I've been using my samples. We ain't wasted no money and no time over here. Like, nope. I'm gonna put that under the eyes. There is still some like mascara remnants in my eye. Also, don't always put pencil in my waterline, because I'm telling you that stuff stays in your waterline for days. Okay, that is a little sticky. Is that supposed to be a bit sticky? Okay. That's my second time using it. It might be sticky because it's a sample that I opened a few days ago. But I didn't throw it away because I knew there was plenty of eye cream left in there. So I'm still using it. Like, stop judging me. Like, you got some nerve judging me. Stop. This is the Banish brand, and this is the vitamin C elixir. I like this because of the ingredients. They seem very, very natural. Water, aloe is the second ingredient. Organic extracts in here. Anything with aloe, give me the aloe, honey. Woo. Okay, the sprayer on here is super strong. Like, it's not a mist like how you know you want a fine mist for your what's it called, fine mist for your setting sprays. This is way stronger. Oh, that already feels good. Everything is going into the skin very nicely right now. Oh, that really calmed my skin down. That's so important. So now I'm going to go in with the Drunk Elephant Night Serum, and this is a glycolic night serum. Already I can feel it. It's like soothing, and it's super lightweight. Now I put a little serum on the lips too. This is like going into the skin fast. Okay. Okay, Drunk Elephant. Anything hydrating for me, anything that says vitamin C, I'm in love with. Last but not least, I'm going to do a final moisturizer. I like sleeping masks now. I just got introduced to them, so I'm like obsessed. Laszlo. It's a memory sleep mask, hydrotherapy. I got everything hydrotherapy from Laszlo, because you know everything hydrating is what we do over here. For my moisturizer, oh, it just feels so good on the skin. This is my second sleeping mask. I have another one from another brand, and I know sleeping masks work. Like, my skin feels amazing when I wake up. Oh, yeah. My skin is like, give me moisture. I literally like making moaning sounds because I just love, my skin is just so happy right now. It's like, I love you, Kim. Thank you so much. I needed this. So no, I don't look the prettiest when I go to sleep, but let me tell you something, girl. My skin is on fleek. My skin is feeling amazing, and that's when I know I'm doing something right. Now I will do a little bit of extra lip balm. To touch a lip balm. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I do plenty of skincare videos on there. Okay guys, so that is my nighttime skincare routine. When I remove my makeup, these are the steps that I follow, that my skin feels like baby soft when I wake up in the morning. That is the best feeling. So my skin feels amazing right now, and it's going to feel even better in the morning because that sleeping mask is going to still work its magic overnight, honey. Again, most of the products I'm using is because I have dry skin. I know they work for me with my dry skin, so just use what works according to your skin type. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching the whole thing. You are the real MVP. Make sure you subscribe, you hit the bell, hit that notification. Make sure you're first, be first in line for the next Kimmy Boutiki upload. What we talking about. I'll see you soon. Mwah. So I have a Erno Laszlo. Oh my gosh, I don't even think I was recording. Squeaky ass motherfucking chair. So just use what. So stop shaking. Okay. So today, this is a lip scrub by Beauty. This is a lip scrub by Beauty For Real. By I hope you enjoy those bloopers, okay? Because there's a lot of blooper action going on behind the scenes. And I left another video right here for you guys to watch another one and stay with your girl a little bit longer. And I will see you like right now because you're about to click the video, right? Yes. And you're subscribed. You did, right? You subscribed? Okay.